Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do a get it all done with me weekend edition cleaning routine, I guess. I'm starting to do this once a week on the weekends. I like to deep clean different parts of the house. I started with the bathroom because it's my least favorite. This shower is so ugly, so don't mind that. We're gonna redo it. I went ahead and cleaned the bath and the shower, and then I took the liner down and the inside and washed that in the washer. And then I went ahead and did the toilet. I have not really used any special cleaning things in the bathroom. I just like to wipe things off with Clorox wipes, and then I use the Clorox spray for the toilet, and then obviously toilet bowl cleaner. But I need to get more of those Clorox like wand things, you know? I love those. This day my bathroom was a mess on the counter. I had finished washing my makeup brushes and just left everything out. So I cleaned the mirror, and then I just sprayed my favorite spray all over the counters and cleaned it. And I did a lazy and just used Clorox wipes to clean the floor because I wanted to do it quickly because I feel bad that Kev has to watch the baby while I'm cleaning. But hey, someone has to do the house chores, right? This day I also had a bunch of Caden's clothes that we had to put away, so I just did that. And I wanted to wash our bedding. I'm doing it every other weekend now. And then I already had his laundry was in the dryer and washer. He had 2 loads, so I went ahead and put these all in his basket, which I love this basket. It's from Target, but I hate how the like liner of it falls into it, so we just end up washing it each time. So yeah, and then I went ahead and threw our bedding in. I seriously do laundry like every couple days between the baby and us. So I love using Tide Pods. It's what I've been using for us for forever. And I use the little scent boosters that are also the original Tide scent. Those are so not necessary, but I don't use dryer sheets, so I wanted the extra scent in my stuff. The room gets super messy, so I was just folding and putting away certain clothes that I just like to pull out and leave on the bed. And this clothing rack has been a lifesaver since Caden does have my closet. And then I like to organize and clean this area up. This little spinny thing was so unorganized, so this day I was like, girl, you need to do something with it. I didn't want to throw away the products, but they're just not products I use all the time. And then I went ahead and vacuumed the floor. Moving on to the kitchen, I'm still not happy with how the kitchen looks, so don't mind it, but I just went ahead and wiped down all the countertops, and I wanted to organize this food pantry thing that we're using for so long, and I haven't gone to Hobby Lobby or Home Goods to get anything to organize, so I was just doing what I could. And I went ahead and wiped the stove down and everything with my Mrs. Meyer's peony scent is my favorite. If you know me, you know I love it. I cannot wait to get this kitchen done and organized. I will be doing a video on that shortly whenever this mama can get to Home Goods. And then of course we have to do the dishes. I'm trying to make a new thing where each time I use a dish, I'm going to put it in the sink or in the dishwasher, sorry, and not leave it in the sink. That way I can always have room to wash all of the bottles because I do like to soak them and then wash them. My mom has me kind of doing that little habit thing. And then spraying down the sink is something I do every couple days because it does get dirty. And then I took my little Bissell little vacuum and I just vacuumed the hardwood in the kitchen. This floor gets dirty literally every day, so I'm constantly vacuuming it with this little vacuum. It's just a little bit more convenient than pulling out the big one. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing. So everything is completely done. I did not mop any of the floors, and the vacuum or the living room was vacuumed yesterday. So this is the completed cleaning, get it all done with me weekend edition. I like to do everything like deep cleaning and organizing during the weekend because there's always stuff I want to do during the week, and his dad has been watching him all day and he's actually sleeping over here. So yeah, he's snoozing hard. But I even organized my cart today, which I'm actually satisfied with the way that it looks, because normally I'm like, I'm not happy with how it looks. Sorry, the TV's on. But yeah, this is just everything that I'm using on the daily basis with him, and that I find myself needing. That's my pumping station, swaddles and burp cloths. I have bibs in here, more swaddles. This is his nail file thing. I haven't used it yet, but I did pull it out because I do want to use it. Some binky clips, nipple cream in there. These are like little cloths that I use for like his eyes. whenever they get nasty. And then same with the water wipes. And then I just put these in there just in case. And then the pacifier sterilizer, and then some bibs. So yeah, and then my station's a little bit organized. And then same with this little tray. We just use it for drinks and random stuff. This was his snack that he just had. I just pumped and gave it to him, so I can still sit out, but we're probably gonna dump it. But yeah, everything is clean. I even organized this little corner of everything, but oh, my mother's dropping things in there. But yeah, so once we get everything to put all this on, I'll be able to clear this corner, but for now this is just all the decor that I have. But it's nice to have it out and looking at it to see what I want to do with things and keep in ideas and stuff. So yeah, so I kind of fixed up this entryway I've been showing you guys. We're gonna hang this up, but he wants to put it up with a anchor, I think is what it's called. So I don't know what I'm gonna exactly put on here, but that's gonna go up above it. And then I just put my diaper bag down there, so that way it's there. I do want to film a what's in my diaper bag video, but I haven't done that yet. I put a little sign right there. That's a bunch of rubbing alcohol and sanitizer and all that for like when packages and mail come in. We just like to sanitize it. And then I put all of our shoes on this shoe rack because we do have the doors, like I said. This will go on the other side, but for now I just put it in front of the closet just because the shoes were like everywhere and I wanted it to be more organized. But I also hung up my Home Sweet Home sign. I think it looks really good. So that's what it looks like. It's a lot more organized. It's never ending. Don't